Hey guys, it's Abate from William. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be giving you a quick breakdown on three pairs XAUUSD, AUDUSD, and GBPUSD of what is pretty much gonna happen. As you all know, a lot of things have been happening all around the world. The war, what happened in the Ukraine, what happened in the US, and the market has been a bit trending, and also to some certain extent, some pairs have been choppy for a while now. So I'll be giving a quick breakdown on XAUUSD, AUDUSD, and GBPUSD. Before we dive into the video, I would love you to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Share it to as many platforms as you can. I still remain yours truly, Abasa from William. Let's dive into the charts. Okay, guys. The first pair we'll be looking at is the XAUUSD, which is gold. Pretty much, as you've seen, gold has been buying for quite a very long time. Gold has been buying for years now. You can see pretty much, if you want to go back, check back, see what gold has been doing. Gold has always been on buy moves. Yeah, it has been on a bullish trend, and you can see what gold has been giving breaking series of high. You see what gold did there? See what gold did here? Also here, gold keeps breaking every high. Gold has pretty much been looking for opportunities to break every single high, and we've rallied up to this point. Let me take this out. We've rallied up to this point, and you can pretty much see what gold is doing. Gold has formed a pattern that looks like a double top. Though I know it's pretty much, if it sells, yeah, it's pretty much gonna be a very short sell. Yeah, because gold has been on the business of breaking the all-time high. Yeah, always and always and always, and pretty much, and whenever we see setups like this, we have it in mind that maybe gold is just trying to get some fuel so he can push further. Let's scale to the this is the weekly time frame. Yeah, you know how we do it. We are proper fans of top-down analysis, analyzing from the higher time frame to the lower time frame and making our executions on the lower time frame. We go to the monthly time frame and we look at the direction of the market. We look at the flow of the river. We get to the weekly time frame and we draw our key levels. Then we scale to the daily time frame and we look for the immediate trend, and pretty much we head to the 4-hour time frame and we look for our entries and probably scale to the 1-hour time frame and get an accurate entry. So that's how we do it. You know how we do it, top-down analysis. Shout out to every of my students who are being active in the game of using the top-down analysis to decipher the buys and the sells in the market. So I wouldn't want this video to be long. Yeah. So what am I gonna do? Yeah, I'll scale to the daily time frame. Sorry, my computer is having a little fault. Okay, and now I'm also having a network issue. So I basically feel that gold is gonna rally up to 3171.63. Then I believe this is my analysis, my forecast on gold. Gold is gonna hit to this level, yeah, and start moving to the upside for as long as we don't know. Yeah, it's gonna be a very clear break and retest. Yeah, of course, gold had broken this high and came back, retested on the high, and it has been shying away off this level. When it came here the first time, dropped, came here the second time, dropped, and this is the third time gold has been dropping from that key level. So I believe that pretty much gold is trying to get a lot of fuel. Yeah, it's trying to get so much fuel so it can pull to the upside again. So as we all know, patience is the key of this game. If you are not patient enough, you ain't gonna win in trading, because the market gets money from impatient traders and gives it to the patient traders. So what are you gonna do? Pretty much, I'm gonna draw another key level here. I'm gonna mark out a zone here. Why do I mark out a zone? It had touched first here, shied away of that level, played around, shied away, came here, pretty much went up, came here and went up, and now gold is back again in that zone. So I pretty much feel that what is going to happen is that gold is going to hit this point. After hitting this point, yeah, this is the zone that has a very high potential, that it's gonna high potential reversal. Yeah, that gold is gonna hit here and then start pulling to the upside. But one of our greatest challenges is that gold has been shying away of this level. So we will be so excited if gold does something like this. Yeah, one of the things we are expecting, because as a swing trader, the thing we basically look out for on gold is always a buy, because gold has been buying pretty much for like 4 years now without even looking back. So this is gonna be the best entry ever. If gold breaks this level and comes back retest on this level, we are gonna hit it so hard. I'm not saying you should risk a whole lot of the money. I'm just trying to tell you how you should follow once you see gold hit out. This is already an A+ setup. Yeah, if you really have to check it out, this is an A+ setup, and it's a very, very nice one. So I'll scale today for our time frame. Sorry, I'm having a glitch in my network and it's a bit creepy. Yeah, so I just scaled to the 4-hour time frame. So pretty much, what are we looking out for? Yeah, I've seen I've seen something that looked like a trend line here. Okay, that's pretty nice. Yeah, I've seen something like a trend line. Let me get this shit off here. Get shit off here. Get out. Yeah, exactly. This is a pure trend line. Yeah, a lot of I see a lot of newbies come and be like, trend line doesn't work. I don't care about what newbies say, because they are just pretty much, we've been in this shit for almost half a decade and we know how it feels like. Yeah, trend line has really given us a very awesome lot of Franklin Benjamin. I don't want to say that much. Okay. And I'm let's see how we can pretty much use the Fibonacci tool to catch that move. Perfect. Already we've seen gold is already sitting at the 0.618 on the Fibonacci retracement. And what does this entail? This entails that gold is gonna be hit it so hard. Gold is gonna be buying from next week. Yeah, from next week. Yeah, and I trust. This is not a financial advice, but if you have an account, just risk low and find an opportunity where you can hit. So gold is gonna hit up to 3,526.61. You hit it first from here, and once it happens, don't forget to come give me my flower. Oh, I'm just joking. So this is pretty much what is gonna happen on gold. Yeah, this is pretty much what is gonna happen on gold. It's not a financial advice, but I see that this is pretty much what is gonna happen on gold by next week. And once you're risking, wow, let me hit the 4-hour time frame. Let's head to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. Okay, already this zone is called the Willis zone. Yeah, once you see something like this, that like the trend line and also this a zone like comes together, and the Fibonacci retracement to come together in a particular zone, it entails of how strong that zone is. So pretty much, I don't want to make this video long because we'll also analyze the AUD USD and also the GBP USD. Okay, I'll place this here and we take it. Okay, this is gonna be our first target, and this is gonna be our last target. I hope it plays out well. Yeah, that's a clay trend line. That's the third touch of the trend line. If you can see it well, this was the first touch, this is the second touch. Okay guys, if you've watched up to this point, click the subscribe button, turn on the post notification button, like the video, comment and share to your friends.